Hi everyone, I'm Kayla Torrison, and I am joined by CIO of Centerprime, Valijon Khalilov, here in beautiful Seoul, South Korea. Thank you for joining me.
My pleasure.
I've heard that it is a decentralized fintech blockchain platform that directly provides an API which facilitates a smart pairing between legal tender and stablecoins, right?
Yeah, that's right. Centerprime is a decentralized fintech project, and Centerprime's main feature is that it's different from other stable coins in circulation. How are they different? All coins, including the current stable coin, focusing mainly on issuing coins. However, their background and substance are not clear at all. That's why there are many large price fluctuations. Centerprime stablecoin was created to solve such kind of issue, and in order to maintain to have a constant value, the supply is adjusted through the legal tender or cryptocurrency and other algorithms. More importantly, Centerprime's stablecoin's core value is in expression, not in issuance, and Centerprime's intends to express cryptocurrency pair with digital currency known as CBDC. It's a central bank digital currency which is established by central bank. Because of this concept, I think the current stable coins will gradually lose their value if CBDC is started to be issued.
So are you saying that you believe that all current stablecoins are going to become obsolete then?
Yeah, that's right. Because nowadays, new technologies evolve rapidly and giant companies often lose their value quickly and disappear. The time cannot provide necessary technology. If CBDC is issued, the current stable coin will lose their value very quickly. This is for one simple reason. The issuance method for current stable coin is wrong.
Why do you think the current issuance method is wrong?
It's because current stable coins are being issued without a clear basis.
What do you mean without a clear basis?
So far we have seen risks posed by unfounded currency in so many countries. In order to issue most currencies, there must be a basis. It has to be backed by something. For example, the US dollar and gold provide the basis. The international currencies under the IMF system, it's the International Monetary Fund system. Currently, stable coins pose a lot of risks because there is no such basis. And to solve such risks, and in order for individual and private companies to establish stable coins, it should be some kind of basis requirement. Centerprime is built on the basis of entrusting its depositors to the central bank. It's important to have a reliable system to use stable coins. It's too risky to use currencies that's issued without basis.
It honestly seems like we should be questioning how stablecoins, or really any coins for that matter, are currently being issued.
Yeah, when the Centerprime project was planned in 2019, it was planned with this in mind. If CBDC is issued, other stable coins will instantly begin to lose their power. The principle of stable coins should be method of expressing currency linked through the central bank in blockchain wallet rather than through issuance. That's why Centerprime considers it an important development principle. In 2019, several blockchain conferences, the Centerprime's SmartPairing Technology was not considered very important, but after CBDC is issued and then is going to now more important.
So you're saying that Centerprime was designed in anticipation of this sort of situation. Can you kind of elaborate on what sort of technology smart pairing is?
Sure. Smart pairing technology is basically technology based on two standards. The first one is blockchain wallet should be able to contain the CBDC. The second one is the transactions with the central bank must be made through the blockchain wallet. Smart pairing is essential in making reliable wallet judgments. I think smart pairing will be the most transparent and specific standards for setting the value of distributed finance. currently refer to the use of stablecoin with the word pay. However, pay and stablecoin are totally different. So there are many kinds of payment systems such as Kakao Pay, Zero Pay, and so on. However, no such issue has been raised related to Kakao Pay. What's the reason? Is it simply because there are many people using it? No. Unlike stablecoins, cryptocurrency, and local currency of cities or province, Kakao Pay is backed by the real cash that users own. Digital currency transferred on Kakao Pay is an expression of real currency the users actually have. As I mentioned before, Centerprime's stablecoin is an expression, not an issuance. The Centerprime project is the API of FinTech Open Banking Service. It's able to express cash on the network for purposes like making remittances and payments.
That was a very clear description of Centerprime here for me. I feel like I got a much better picture. But you actually mentioned smart pairing making value judgments for cryptocurrencies. Now, do you believe that smart pairing will kind of become the standard for future value judgments?
Smart pairing is one technology that can make value judgment. But I think more advanced value judgment standards should be made. For instance, let's take just real examples of just two countries. The first one is South Korea, the second one is USA. Both of them have their own national currencies. Why do they need them? To exchange goods or services, of course. If you want to buy products, you need the currency which is linked to something valuable, like gold or economic power and so on. However, currently in blockchain network, only currencies is generated and traded without any real production. That's why valuable products like data is required. Centerprime suggests 4 standards. Number 1, the amount of blockchain data services. Number 2, the usage of blockchain data services. Number 3, real currency through smart pairing. And number 4, the amount of currency transactions traded on the exchange.
Well, thank you so much for an in-depth explanation like that. I feel like I have a much better picture, but that looks like all the time that we have for today. Once again, I was joined by CIO of Centerprime, Valijon Khalilov. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.